So yes guys, as I was saying, my friend Andy helping me harvest callaloo. He's gonna get some for his own. Back there are some bell peppers, so you'll see the bell peppers separately. And I definitely want to get rid of most of the ones that are by the bell pepper so that the bell pepper can get air. So definitely just be careful how you, because they have been falling off, the peppers themselves. But thank you so much, Andy. So we're just harvesting callaloo. As you guys can see, it's a lot. The leaves are perfect though. They're really, I love what's happening. I mean, 1 minute they're down, next minute they're up. So Perry, my callaloo, they're looking better. I think we have cycles, so sometimes yours look better than mine, but it's a whole bed, guys. See Andy working like he's in the in a farmland. And I have some okras here that I wanted to share with you. And I've gotten so much okra. I have a whole bag of okra inside that I'm supposed to be preparing, but I actually like to just take them and eat them raw. So most times I just take them, come out and take them and eat them raw. I have some bell peppers there. Lots of bell peppers, seriously. Out of pots, guys, out of pots. I have 3 okras coming up in that one pot. Pray for them, because I don't know why I put 3 in one pot, but I was just lazy to transplant. Hey, I got a fig tree, guys. I was in the ministry, and there's this guy who does great farming, and he offered me a peach tree, which is that one, which is a regular peach, not like the one that I have, which did well, by the way, but it's just not the peach that we're used to. He offered me a regular peach tree, so that's the peach tree here in that pot. And he also offered, he also gave me a fig tree, which I asked him for, because if you don't ask, you don't get. And I've been wanting a fig tree for so long. And these are all my tomatoes. They're coming up so nicely. And tomatoes, I have some big ones. If you look back there, if you can see that big one back there, nice and juicy. It's not ripe yet, but they're coming. I mean, as I tell you guys, tomatoes are not my thing, but my sister loves them, and so she'll be eating them. So yeah, we're on the other side of the garden where I have all the buckets lined. And oh, I have cayenne pepper coming, guys. You see that? That's a cayenne pepper. There is another one in the background. All these peppers. And I have my other Scotch bonnet pepper. Look, tons of them all over. They're not ripe yet, but they're gonna. And I can't wait to have them all over. And these are my carrots. I'm supposed to be harvesting carrots. I told myself I would, because I think it's time, because I've been seeing so many people harvesting and they're doing pretty good. And my leeks, I've been using them up. Like, yeah. This is leaf of life. That's what we call it, the leaf of life. These are parsley. Rosetta, your stevia is doing so well. I need to learn how to use it, the stevia plant. But oh guys, one more thing I want to share. I have broccoli, and these must be they're not like the younger type broccoli, because they're not the thick head of broccoli. This type here. Somebody tell me what the name is. It just slipped me. I know it. Not that food dumb, but I can't remember it. Broccolet or what? I don't remember. I'm not gonna make a fool of myself, but it's from the broccoli plant. This is how a normal head of broccoli look, and this one is happening. And as you can see, I still have sunflowers in the background, but this is my broccoli head coming up. And yeah, there's so much more. My garden is a mess. It needs a lot of work, but we do what we can. Thank you so much, Andy.